How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to reveal a powerful mechanical strategy that takes out the guesswork from trading gold. No more relying on intuition. This strategy uses clear, precise rules to help you catch profitable moves in the gold market every single time. So stick around as we break it down step by step so that you can start trading with confidence and consistency. In this video, we're going to go over a complete breakdown on entries and exits using this strategy. I'm going to share with you the best times to trade gold. We're going to go over when to avoid looking at the markets. When do we sit on our hands? Remember, a trader that is self-disciplined is a profitable trader. There's no need to chase trades if nothing presents itself. And finally, we are going to go over in-depth trade examples, so make sure that you stick around to see how I break this strategy down so that you can follow me exactly the way I trade this method. So how do we trade this strategy? First of all, I want you to look at 8 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. Remember, this is UTC -5, it is New York time. And then we come to the charts 7:45. So 50 minutes before this time starts, I want you to just wait for the market to go ahead and do its thing. And then I want you to go ahead and mark out your 8 p.m. time. And you can also annotate the time, or you can use an indicator. You can see on my charts later on in the video when I go over the live examples that I have an indicator that plots this time for me. And then when you plot this time, I want you to mark out the high of this range before this time, and I want you to go ahead and mark out the low of this price range before your time hits. It is very important to note that you should mark out 12 a.m. as well. Mark out your midnight so that you can see the exact window that you have to trade this strategy. Now that you have your times measured out and marked out, I want you to do two things. I want you to go ahead and place an alert on this buy side liquidity, which will be the most extreme high, and I want you to place an alert on the sell side liquidity, which will be the low of this price range. And then you just wait for price to hit either the buy side or the sell side. And this example, price runs up to hit the buy side liquidity. Now what do I want you to wait for? I do not want you to wait for a market structure shift. Don't do that. I want you to wait for a fair value gap that forms in this leg of price that takes out liquidity and that also takes out the high of the range. If price action carries on running, it has to take out liquidity before the fair value gap forms. Then what will be our entry trigger? We are waiting for this fair value gap to get close below, because then it will become an inverted fair value gap. Remember to think about the logic behind a fair value gap. Displacement, or a fair value gap, is there to show us bullish momentum. If a bullish fair value gap fails with a body close, it shows us that that fair value gap isn't holding the momentum and the price is likely to reverse. So we are waiting for that bullish fair value gap to get inversed, and that is where on the close of this candle, that is where I want you to take your entry. Stop loss goes above the high, and I want you to target a 2R. So this is how this trade will look like. You can either take your entry on the body close, or you can take a retest of this fair value gap. I prefer market executions on body closes, and that will be your trade. So this is how the trade will look like. So let me go into more detail when we go over the live trade examples. If you are looking to become a professional funded trader in 12 weeks or less guaranteed, this is the program for you. I have been trading the markets for more than a decade, and I have made multiple six figures from trading alone. I have used the same methods to get funded 400k that I've used to fund my personal account, so I'm no longer relying on prop firm capital. I trade my own personal funds. And so you can also get access to a private Discord community where you have direct access to me to help and guide you 24/7. If you are struggling to get funded, you can join my live trading sessions and I will trade alongside you until you get funded, and that is a promise. Go ahead and look at the benefits that you get alongside this program. And if you think this is all smoke and mirrors, just take a look at the amazing results that our students are busy getting from this program. We are honestly doing it different, and you haven't seen anything like this before. So if you are ready to become my next success story, go ahead and use code Christmas15 for 15% off lifetime access today. So here we have our first example, and guys, I know this is hindsight, but I'm showing you how the strategy works. If you want to go ahead and bash me and say, oh, you have to do live backtesting and everything, I've done the backtesting, and I'm not here to waste your time. I will not share a strategy with you that doesn't work in the market. I don't want lazy traders. If you want to be a profitable trader, you should be ready to put in the work. So go ahead and do the backtesting yourself. Now, with that little rant out of the way, we come to the market, remember, just before 8 p.m. So let's mark this as a black line. This is 8 p.m. midnight. 8 p.m. New York time, till midnight. Here we have our trading window. Now, what do I want you to look at? I want you to go ahead and mark out the swing low, and here we have another swing low. Here we have our swing high, and we have another swing high. So this is done on the 15-minute time frame. Now we drop to the 1-minute time frame to look for our entries. Remember, we're entering off of a fair value gap. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. Now we are waiting for price action to take out liquidity. If I play this forward, what do we have here? On this time, if I just move this ahead, you can see that we haven't raided sell side liquidity yet. So even if this fair value gaps inverts, that is not a valid trade because we need price action to take out sell side liquidity. We play this along and we can see that price action doesn't invert this fair value gap. We can see that it doesn't get closed above. And what happens? We go ahead and we raid sell side liquidity. Now, let's move this along. We have this as our liquidity raid. Gonna put this here. Okay, here we have that liquidity raid. So now we are waiting for a fair value gap to get inversed. Let's play price along to see if we get that fair value gap. We don't get that fair value gap inversed. Instead, we go ahead and we raid sell side liquidity. So I can move this along. Now what are we doing? Now we are waiting for a fair value gap to get closed above. That is all we are waiting for. So let me just play price along to see how that happens. We don't invert it, and instead we drop lower. And do we create a new fair value gap? We do create a new fair value gap, so I can go ahead and move this along. And let's see if price action inverts this fair value gap. Let's just wait for the body closure. Remember, it's very important to wait for a body close to invert a fair value gap. Do we get that body closure out of a fair value gap? We do. So this becomes my inverse fair value gap. That is where I take my market execution. Stop loss goes below the low, and we target a 2R trade. You can either do this, or you can take your trade on the retest of the inverse fair value gap. I like a market execution because price action can close and start running away, and if you missed your entry. Let's see how this trade plays out. In this case, we do get that retest of that fair value gap, that inverse fair value gap. Price action does take some time, but eventually, let's see if we do get this trade in the bag. And there you go. Beautiful raid of sell side liquidity, and we deliver into a buy program, completing this market maker buy model. Here we have our second example, and in this example, what do you see? First of all, we mark out our times. We come to the chart just before 8 o'clock, and we have till midnight. This is our window where we can take a trade. For those of you guessing, this is Asia kill zone. Now, what do we have? We have a rate of buy side liquidity, but price action runs before this session opens. But because we rate buy side liquidity before our session opens, my bias will be bearish for the session. So let's play this along. Sorry, I dropped to the 1 minute time frame. Now, let me just replay this. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for our inverse fair value gap to form, and then we can take a trade. Remember what I said, it is very important that we sweep liquidity before the fair value gap forms. Here you can see that here we do have a fair value gap that got inversed, but I want this inverse fair value gap to form within my kill zone. That is very important. So I need a new rate of liquidity, which will be this high that I want taken out. So I want price action to take out this liquidity and then form a fair value gap, which it then inverses, and that is where we take a trade. That is the signature that I'm waiting for. Now we just play price ahead and wait for that liquidity sweep. Do we get it? Yes, we do. Here we get that liquidity sweep. And do we have a fair value gap going into this liquidity? Yes, we do. Here is our fair value gap. We are waiting for a body close below it. And do we close below? We do. So all of our entry, all of our checklist items is correct. Now we can take our trade. So we take it, market order at the close of that candle. Stop loss goes above the high, and we target a 2R trade. This will be the trade that we are playing. So let's see how this trade plays out. And guys, we do get stopped out on this trade. And so I put this in to show you that this strategy doesn't win 100% of the time. If you're looking for a 100% win rate, holy grail, it doesn't exist. And you need to retrain, you need to realign your trading psychology, because losing happens. In a professional trading environment, the best loser wins. It is not how you deal with a winner that counts. It's how you deal with a loser that makes or breaks you as a trader. Again, here we have our third example. And this will be the final example, so stick around and make sure that you pay attention to this example. What do? We go to the chart, 7:45, and we go ahead and we mark out swing highs and we mark out swing lows. Now, what do we see here again? Like the previous example, price action has already taken a swing high. So my bias for this session here is what? Because we have rated buy side liquidity, my bias for this session will be bearish. Now, we mark out our 8 p.m., we mark out our midnight, and we drop to the 1 minute time frame. So, what are we looking for? We are looking for that inverse fair value gap to happen during my time window. What do we have here? If I move this along, do we have a fair value gap? We do. This fair value gap does form within my window. So I'm just waiting for a body closure below this fair value gap. Remember, a bullish fair value gap should support price action. If this fair value gap fails, it's an indication that order flow is busy changing. Now let's wait for that body close. Do we get that closure below? We do. So we take a market order, stop loss above the high, and we target a very simple 2-to-1 risk to reward. Let's play this ahead. And price action just drops down, hits our target, and we are out of this trade. So in this example, if you waited for a retest of that fair value gap, you would have missed your trade. So that is where I want you to, like I shared in the beginning of the video, I want you to do your own back testing, because there's no one size fits all when it comes to trading. Some people's personalities prefer a retest. Some people's personalities prefer a market execution. That is exactly why in my trader program, in my mentorship program, I give you a step-by-step guide that you can follow regardless of your experience in the market, regardless of your age, regardless of your IQ. There's no discrimination. I'm here to help you succeed as a trader. I've been doing this for more than a decade, and I've seen all the shiny bells and whistles when it comes to trading. I have condensed all of my knowledge into an easy step-by-step program that you can follow and that can help you become a funded trader in 12 weeks, guaranteed. And if you are still struggling to get funded, I guarantee that I'll trade with you live every single day until you become confident in your abilities and become a funded trader. Guys, go ahead and backtest this. Make sure to follow all the rules in the video. And I hope you enjoyed. As always, leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you're looking to trade live with me, go ahead and check out the mentorship program. And I'll see you in the next video.